Is your Mazda 6 key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. You'll need a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery, available at most electronics stores or online retailers, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. One locateth these among the key fob, usually along the sides or near the key ring. 2. Gently pre-open the case, separating the two halves without forcing it. 3. Identify and remove the old battery carefully, avoiding the circuit board. 4. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. 5. Snap the case back together securely. 6. Test the fobby pressing the buttons. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. To ensure a smooth battery replacement, work in a static-free environment and consider wearing gloves to protect the key fob's electronics. Incorrect battery orientation is a common mistake that can cause immediate failure. For Mazda 6 models with smart keys, reprogramming might be necessary if the fob loses sync. Looking ahead, trends point toward improved battery longevity and potential adoption of rechargeable or solar-powered fobs, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Be sure to dispose of old batteries responsibly through proper recycling to protect the environment. Avoid cheap knockoff batteries, as they can corrode contacts. Experts confirm this is an easy task, saving Mazda 6 owners an average of $80 compared to dealership service.